here it is, the brand new Model 3, Model Y air conditioning control multimedia system for the back of the Tesla. So all we need to do is remove this cover here, and it just pulls straight out, and then you have to go under here and pull this piece out right here. Unboxing time. There we go. Really nicely packed. Hansshow. And again, if you're interested in this, I do have a discount code, and I believe it's 20% off right now. Little manuals. This is cool. This tells you all the functions of how to operate it. There it is, guys. There's the back of it. It's already been all modified. See the two cables sticking out of it. And yeah, we're gonna get to installing this. Let's do it. Here's the wiring harness. Right here. Here's the end. And then this will plug into each side of this blue connector right here. You have to pop this off and then plug in each side to that. And then you're gonna string this cable up the side right here. You pulled this through. All you do is just stick your finger way in there in that corner, and you just pull it through. Alright, once you pull this piece out, then you are going to plug these two pieces in, and they can only go in one way, so you can't mess this up. I just tried. Can't mess it up. Alright, about to connect that black cable to that guy right there. This end, I flipped it over and I'm seeing something happening. So that is a good sign. Next step is tuck all this wiring in and just snap this back in. Woo! Alright. So here's the main screen right out of the box. I need to adjust the time and everything, but pretty cool. AC. You hit this button. Let's go to seat warmers. Boom. Boom, seat warmers. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Pretty cool. Right back to that. It's all fan stuff. Back to this. This is cool. So this is how you access everything. YouTube right here. Right now it's hooked to my Wi-Fi at my house. If you want to have it hooked up to Wi-Fi as you're driving, you'd have to use a hotspot or get a 4G SIM card, which I'm planning to do for my front screen that I'm putting right there that I have not installed yet. And I got the yoke wheel and new fog lights. A lot of stuff happening in the Tesla, but right now this is about this video. You can see how quick and responsive it is. I just hit home. I can change all of this. Here's how quickly it swipes. Let's go to Google Chrome. Here we go. So, oh, that was quick. And look at this, we're on Google now. Surfing, reading news on Google. See how quick this is? Again, if you're interested in this screen, use Shotty at checkout. Use Shotty at checkout. I believe you save about 20% right now. They keep changing it. It was 30%, so don't sleep on it. Buy now, and they have a lot of products. I bought a lot of things from them, and it's quick shipping, and they're really responsive. And if you need any help, you can comment below. I will help you. Go ahead and subscribe and like everything. I would really appreciate it. Then this USB right here, as you can see, it is playing a video. And what's cool is, watch, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna get out of the car. Oops, dropped my key fob. I'm gonna get back in the car. You see the screen is off. It's gonna turn back on and immediately start playing right where it left off. How cool is that? And you can access out. It's telling you the door's open. How cool is that? So this thing is totally plug and play, easy to use. Use Shotty as a discount code to save about 20% right now. So go do it right now. Order this thing, quick shipping, and it's really easy to install. Woo!